Put cooking oil in a pressure cooker on medium to high flame. Add ginger garlic paste and cook until raw smell should be gone. Add tomato puree, salt, dry coriander, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, and all spices powder, and fry the mixture well. When I leave the edges, then add washed and soaked lentil and mix well with fry mixture and wait to boil. Keep it on medium to low flame and bend the lid and give pressure for 10 minutes. You can make these lentils in pressure cooker for quick cooking. Alternatively, you can also cook in regular pot. Put off the flame and release the pressure carefully. You will see lentil is cooked. Check lentil by pressing it with the finger. Dish out cooked lentil and sprinkle green coriander leaves, green chili over it. Put cooking oil in a pan and add paprika powder, whole red chili and fry. Add butter. Put this temper over cooked lentil. Lentil is ready.